If you've ever wondered whether you could grow a thriving garden without constantly reaching for a fertilizer bag, the answer is a resounding yes. Some plants aren't just beautiful or edible, they're living soil boosters. These soil-friendly champions feed the earth as they grow, enriching your garden from the roots up. Whether you're gardening in containers, raised beds, or a small balcony space, adding these plants to your garden plan can naturally restore and enhance soil fertility with zero synthetic inputs. Let's dive straight into the 7 powerhouse plants that work for your soil. No extra fertilizer required. First on the list is clover. Often dismissed as a weed, clover is actually a nitrogen fixer. As it grows, it forms a special partnership with soil bacteria, capturing nitrogen from the air and storing it in the root zone. This stored nitrogen becomes available to neighboring plants as clover breaks down or is trimmed back. Next comes comfrey, one of the most potent dynamic accumulators in the garden world. With deep roots that mine minerals far beneath the surface, comfrey draws up nutrients like potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, and stores them in its large, leafy foliage. When you chop and drop comfrey leaves around your crops, they decompose quickly and release these nutrients right where your plants need them. Plus, it's an excellent pollinator plant, making it a multi-benefit addition to any eco-conscious garden. Then we have alfalfa, another deep-rooted gem. Known for rejuvenating tired soils, alfalfa breaks up compacted layers, adds organic matter, and releases nitrogen slowly as it decomposes. One of the most surprising soil helpers is borage. This beautiful flowering herb not only attracts bees, but also accumulates trace minerals such as silica and magnesium. Sunhemp is an underrated superstar for warm climates. Fast-growing and vigorous, it's capable of fixing huge amounts of nitrogen in a short season. It's often used as a green manure crop, slashed down before flowering and turned into the soil to add bulk organic matter and unlock fertility. If your beds are tired or your containers need a seasonal refresh, Sunhemp is a great short-term companion that repairs soil while you take a planting break. Another favorite among soil lovers is hairy vetch. Similar to clover, it enriches the soil with nitrogen through its symbiotic relationship with rhizobia bacteria. It's particularly effective when used as a winter cover crop. Let it grow through the cooler months, then cut it back before planting spring crops. The roots stay in the soil, adding nitrogen and improving structure while helping suppress weeds naturally. Finally, there's nasturtium. Often celebrated for its peppery edible leaves and bright blooms, nasturtium also improves soil in subtle but meaningful ways. So, nasturtium's fast-growing nature shades the soil, which helps reduce moisture loss and keeps temperature swings in check. As it breaks down, it adds organic matter right to the top layer of soil, especially if you're growing in containers or small bed spaces. Plus, it acts as a trap crop, drawing pests away from your more sensitive vegetables, and that really helps keep your garden in a healthier balance. What makes all these plants so valuable is that they don't just take from the soil, they give back, and they do it passively season after season with very little input from you. By choosing to grow these species among your vegetables, herbs, or flowers, you're not just getting a prettier garden. You're creating a living soil care system that reduces your need for fertilizers, compost, or even constant watering. Healthy soil is the foundation of everything we grow. These plants offer a natural, elegant way to improve it without the guesswork of soil amendments or the expense of store-bought products. If you found this guide helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow gardener who's looking for more natural ways to grow strong, healthy plants. And for more soil-smart tips, plant care advice, and creative gardening ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Botanical Bliss. Your garden and your soil will thank you for it.